Gentlemen, it is the third ever Gent Z meetup tonight. We're here in Chicago. Let's go take a look at the group. Michael, thank you very much for joining me tonight. It's a pleasure to see you again. Tell me a little bit about what you enjoy about these events and why you decided to come down again.
Yeah, I went to the last event. I think there's not, at least with my job, I don't get out very much. I don't get to meet many people, especially people that are a little more like-minded and enjoy the same kind of lifestyle and fashion sense as me. So, and I stumbled across your YouTube channel and I saw that you were located in Chicago, and I'm here too, not too far down. I thought, yeah, I'd definitely come down and see if I can meet some new people. And second time here, and some of the people I've seen here, the same from last time, but everyone's great.
It's always a good group, isn't it? Yeah,
it's always a good group.
Exactly.
Good stories, good to see everybody else and their opinions on the same type of things that we enjoy, so.
Yeah, exactly.
So my name is Owen. I actually drove down from Milwaukee. I live up in Wisconsin, always lived in southeastern Wisconsin. And this is the third time being down here for one of the events, so it's always a good time.
And you have a pretty interesting style-related job, I would say. Can you tell us a bit about that?
In a way. So I actually work for the House of Creed, and they actually got their start with tailoring and leatherworks. They didn't even do fragrance at the beginning. So in a way it is related, absolutely.
Fantastic. Could you talk us through your outfit for tonight? We're doing a bit more of a casual theme for the most part tonight, by the way.
So I went all out casual for tonight. Just stuck with a black linen shirt from Charles Tyrwhitt. Just black slacks. I always carry my messenger bag, which I got last year in Germany. It comes with me literally everywhere I go. And then a little also inspiration piece from Germany is the neckerchief. This is from Soho Scarves, and they did a Bauhaus collection actually. So this one is called the Dresden. And then the largest piece is going to be my vintage Omega that I have on my wrist, which is from the 60s. And my girlfriend gifted it to me last year for our 1-year anniversary.
Beautiful.
So it's a gorgeous piece.
Yeah, quite the commitment.
Yeah, no, absolutely.
All right, well, I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening.
Yeah, of course. Thank you very much.
Scott, thank you so much for joining me tonight. This
James,
is your
pleasure.
second Gent Z event, that's right?
Second one. I was at the first one, Untitled. Had a great time. A lot of old fashions, a lot of good conversation. Happy to be back.
And it's great that we host these here in Chicago. You were saying that you were a little surprised when you first realized this channel is hosted in Chicago.
I saw you on YouTube. The algorithm matched it up, and I was like, this guy's got to be in London, New York. Had no idea. You're about 5 minutes from where I live. Right behind us.
Yeah, don't tell them.
Apartment 207.
And talk us through your outfit tonight.
So now what am I wearing? Who am I wearing?
Who are you wearing? Okay.
So, got some suede loafers. Very comfortable, very summery, very light. Do the no-show socks. A couple plain white chinos from Hugo Boss sport coat, and a linen shirt from Silbone, which is a company I came across about a year ago. Great price point, great quality, great service.
Beautiful. And what are some of the favorite topics you like to see on the channel?
I'm a big James Bond fan, so I love the James Bond stuff. I love the style stuff. You know, anything about becoming a better gentleman. Even if I know I'm already on track and I'm doing well in those certain areas, it's nice to get a little refresher to go, can I step my game up? I'm also a big fan of Cary Grant, Frank Sinatra, all the legends. It's all good.
Absolutely. Well, thank you for coming tonight. I look forward to chatting with you more later.
Likewise, James.
Thank you.
Likewise. Thanks for hosting.
Bit about your outfit tonight. I see you've gone for a bit of a nautical theme. We're on the river here.
Yeah. So I know we were kind of going for more of a summer vibe, and it was a little bit cooler temperature-wise today. So I wanted to throw out a couple different layers, and I have this very lightweight kind of nautical striped sweater.
Yeah, Breton.
Yeah, and then threw on the blazer. I figured it would be a good time to throw it out. It's still summer, but you get the layers, so when it's a little bit cooler, you're not too miserable. So
Yeah, and I love the gold buttons on this as well. I think it's a nice touch.
I love those too.
Yeah, and then we got the stone chinos.
Yeah, stone chinos, dark brown penny loafers, and then of course I had to pull out. These are the American Optical JFK.
Oh, beautiful. The Saratogas.
Saratogas.
Nice
yep.
choice. Nice choice.
My favorite pair of sunglasses. So yeah.
Fantastic. And you got a little signet ring there, I noticed as well. What's the story behind this?
Yeah, so it's my family's coat of arms. My family is originally from Ireland. I've always been fascinated with my family's history. So about when I was like 21, I had this made. I got it put in reverse so I can do wax seals if I ever write out a nice letter for anybody. I can seal it with my family's coat of arms. But, yeah.
Beautiful. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. I appreciate it.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
I'm just editing this video and it makes me so proud and so happy to see the group that we've created here in Chicago, and I'm really excited to come to London on September 4th to host the meetup at the King's Head in Mayfair. It's not just me, it's also going to be Ash from the Chaps Guide, and then we have Jack Collins and Raphael Schneider from the Gentleman's Gazette. But I don't want it to just be London next. I want to expand these meetups to all over the United States. I'm mostly focusing on the US right now, so I want you to let me know in the comments which city you think I should come to. Initially, I was thinking Dallas, but it doesn't seem like there was a huge amount of demand for me to come to Dallas. Maybe a different city in Texas would be better. Maybe Miami, maybe Atlanta. There's a big country to explore. There's lots of places in the US that I really want to visit, and this would be a great way to do it and meet some great people along the way. So let me know in the comments where you think I should come to. Maybe it's somewhere in Texas, maybe it's Atlanta, maybe it's Miami, maybe it's somewhere else. Wherever you are in the world, let me know and I will do my best to arrange a Gent Z event there in the coming months.